Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
When they team up, don't expect miracles. The chaos has already begun with being orange cats. And just a splash of orange in that fur seems to dumb down that cat too.
喂，你他妈你吓老子一跳！我操，这个傻狗，我去，过来！
Hi, I'm minding my own business, so please give me some space.
Hey, buddy.
If a tango lover shows up, that kitten's got the best shot at getting adopted for sure. Jim is better with a crowd. One member's energy can inspire the rest, more or less. Mum, I can't find my little bro. Guess that means I can get his pate too. Letting your kitty watch movies is the quickest way to witness their dummy protective side. I can't tell if cats are geniuses or just plain silly. They seem to blend both. Turns out, even cute creatures like them can have awkward moments, totally opposite to their appearance. When it's your movie night, but you forget to lock the door and let the kitten in. She just flaunted a new slim fit cat fashion in seconds. Pretty stylish, I would say. If your child's got this mindset in the bathroom, you're halfway to mastering cat parenting. Cats are usually wild and emotional, but they flip the script really hard when it's duty time.
Huh?
This is all a tiny maid can do to help prep for the trip. When you find out your owner spends big on books instead of food, it's time to hint something.
Bruh, bruh.
Whisker's rules are like, there's always got to be some competition, even in fair situations. This is the reason why you should think twice before having 2 cats at once. I swear, I've never seen an orange feline that acts normal. They're one of a kind. I'm just gently notifying you that I have done the biggest task. For these 2 feisty girls, we really need a skilled referee to judge their fight. Today, the boy learned a lesson. Attitude needs muscles. One won't do without the other. Some days, the cat's system seemed reset, and they might act a bit differently. This is kind of an effective way to have fun when one of us gets sick, bro. Sticking to their ancestors' beliefs, kitties never seem to be satisfied with being the underdog. Okay, I'm all set to give my crush the best Valentine's gift. Well, let's hope that lucky girl will be happy like this. Thanks for watching.